You've got a guy on your floor.
I'm awake! Shit!
Gilbert, this is Jack and Victor. They are new friends. Say hello, Gilbert.
Oh, hi!
Jack, Victor, I'd like you to meet our lead scientist and local autistic dwarf child, Dr. Gilbert Ectoplasm.
Pleasure.
Yeah, whatever.
Gilbert's looking for a cure.
Whoa. Whoa. Hold the phone.
Hold 2 phones.
I know it sounds far-fetched, but we're close. We're so close. Aren't we, Gilbert? Gilbert says that he needs one more component that he doesn't have yet. But I've told Gilbert that that's impossible. He has everything he needs. Right here.
So what's the component?
What now?
The component.
Oh, right! Yeah, the thing about that. Yeah, that's stuff. The thing I need, it's hard to find. There aren't many of them left. It's very elusive, like a ghost. It's ghost. Yeah, goat. I need a goat.
Whoa. Hold a third phone.
I can't hold any more phones.
You're saying the cure is a goat.
I know you're fetish with ghosts, Gilbert.
I don't really like ghosts. He's lying. He's crazy. He's out of his mind. He's been keeping me here for months. Get me the fuck out of here.
But I've told you before, nobody leaves the colony. And that goes for the rest of you.
Okay, come again. What the fuck?
Is that true what you said about the goat?
Yeah, sure, whatever. You guys just killed him. Don't kill me. I got drugs.
So what you got in there?
I don't really even know. All kinds of shit.
I've been wandering this land for a long, long time. Got nothing in my pocket except some piss-stained eyes. I've been screaming like a banshee for many, many years. I cry myself 5 buckets of them cold black tears. Cold black tears. I've been dreaming that I'll fly away to a place where the green cow and I can play. I've been dreaming of a land made of pie where I'll never grow old, where I'll never have to die. I was hoping for something I was sure I'd find. When I got through it was nothing but a big meat grind. I've been pulling triggers daily till my hands grew numb. I've got automatic fingers and 12-gauge thumbs. 12-gauge thumbs. I've been dreaming that I'll fly away to a place where the green cow and I can play. I've been dreaming of a land made of pie where I'll never grow old, where I'll never have to die. I've been dreaming that I'll fly away to a place where the green cow and I can play. I've been dreaming of a land made of pie where I'll never grow old and I'll never have to die, have to die, have to die. to die, have to die, have to die, have to die.
Fuck! Want any more Hero Crackawana?
No. We should go. Right now.
Go where?
Get some goats.
Why would we want to go?
But you told us last night, you remember last night you told us the cure was goats for the flu, the last component.
I said that? Fuck. Right. Yeah.
You'd better not be messing with us.
Oh, no. I meant it. Yeah. Let's go get some goats.
I'll tear your fingernails off.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart I have but one desire. That one is you, no other will do.
Victor, this may be a bad time, but I have to know. What happened at Durgo Prison?
We killed every last prisoner. Not a day goes by I don't wish I could join him, Jack.
Guys, I have to tell you, I cannot live with this guilt. I'm not a real doctor. I just told you
fucking
that
kidding me.
so I could get away from Jerry and so you guys
set
wouldn't
us
kill me.
up.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Serves him right.
Victor, what are you doing? Shit!
I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I'll have reached the goal I'm dreaming of. Believe me, I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. The tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrows. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had.
sky, come down, help me sing my lullaby. The voices of my mind, they help me bring my song to life. Oh, I've been searching for a memory of the days gone by, of the day the songbird flew and the day I died.